Both of these 40 rounders are loaded up with all kinds of steel cased ammo. We're going to do some reliability testing while also having a little fun. So, Texas forever. Yes, stupid me forgot to charge both rifles. Hey guys, I'm out here today at Poetry Shooting Club. I like this place. It's near my new house I just moved into. It's a 0 to 500 yard range, and whenever you come to shoot, you get the whole range to yourself. So I really do like it. But anyway, I'm out here today going to be testing out the accuracy of this Palmetto State GF3. This is an AK-47 by Palmetto State Armory. And you know, it looks a little ridiculous with the scope on here, but I'm only going to be using this to test the accuracy at 100 yards with several different types of ammunition. I'm going to be testing most of the steel case ammo that's available. I don't have some of it because the political climate is pretty crazy right now. However, I do have the majority of the common stuff. So if you have a GF3 or even with some of the newer models, this might work for your rifle. You might have some similar accuracy results with your stuff, but again, everything needs to be tested on your rifle because your results may vary. But I'm doing this as just kind of a public service announcement type thing for the best steel cased ammo for your rifle. I do have a few different kinds of brass cased ammo as well I'm going to test, but mainly I'm just kind of trying to see what the best bulk ammo is that this gun likes. So let's get to it. Okay guys, testing out a new camera. Hopefully the audio is good. I just shot the first 5-shot group of Barnaul after I sighted in the rifle. The next two I'm going to be shooting a 5-shot group of Monarch, and then this Norinco stuff. So let's see what it does. Now moving down to the Norinco. From what I saw through the scope, looks like the Norinco was going to do the best, and then the last two shots kind of strung out a little bit. But let's take a look and see. So on this large target, I was sighting in the scope, and these 5 right here are the group of 5 for the Barnaul out of the Palmetto State Armory GF3. Then moving over, this top one right here was also me sighting in. So those 3 plus these 2 are the Monarch. That's the Norinco right there. You can see the first 3 stacked right on top of each other, and then the last 2 kind of strung out. So I'm going to try that one again later in the day. But let's get on to the tool ammo and the Wolf, as well as some of the brass casing. I'm hoping that this gun likes a little bit of the more common stuff. Like, you know, if it likes the Norinco the best, it's going to be kind of out of luck, because that stuff is a little bit harder to find than the rest of this. So next thing I'm going to shoot will be, it'll be the Red Army Standard and then some tool ammo. So let's see how it does with those. Next up, we got some Wolf. In that tool ammo, that was 122 grain hollow point. This Wolf is 122 grain hollow point as well. Okay, that bottom mark right around there, that's a staple mark. That's the Red Army Standard right there. Moving up, that is the tool ammo. The first four were the top left, and then the fifth one was at the bottom, so I might do that one again. Moving down, those five are the Wolf ammo. So just to kind of go over again, those five, that is Barnaul. Those five, not including the very top one on the left, that was a side-end shot. Those five are the Monarch. Those five are the gray box Norinco. The first three were touching, and then the fourth and fifth shot were bottom and left. Those five right there, those are the Red Army Standard. Those five right there, that's the tool ammo. And those five are the Wolf. So far, mediocre results. I didn't expect anything spectacular. I will be testing the Norinco and the tool ammo again. Also, I have a few brass case cartridges that I'm going to be testing, and after all of this, in the future, I will be reloading up customized round for this and hopefully get a little bit better accuracy, along with some other things that might help along the way, like a new trigger, new springs, stuff like that. Next up, we got some brass case PPU ammo and some brass case Winchester hunting ammo. 123 grain FMJ PPU ammo and some Winchester Deer Season XP 123 grain extreme point brass case as well. Let's see how these perform. I will be collecting this brass as well to reload. It's not too cheap, not too common to get some 7.62 by 39 brass online, so I have a few hundred cases right now, but anything I can get, I'll take. Okay, so first up, I'm going to be shooting this Winchester ammo, then after that, I'll be shooting the PPU. And that Winchester's all over the place. Let me go get that brass before I lose it. Okay, next is the PPU brass case. Going to be shooting at the top orange, the top left orange dot. There is one bullet hole in the bottom right of it that is not part of this group, but I will note that when I record down range. Ooh, that's already like a 4 or 5 inch group. Yeah, neither of those were too good. Go check them out. Okay, so these 5 right here are the Winchester Extreme Soft Point or Extreme Point, whatever it is, that hunting round. Not too happy about that. And that bullet hole that's on the bottom right of that orange circle was already there. So basically everything that's above that target is the brass case PPU. Most of the Winchester brass was all scattered in the same area. However, the PPU brass was very drastically differently located around the ground. So I bet those rounds aren't too consistent. So next thing I'm going to do is reshoot some of the Norinco stuff, as well as some tool ammo, and maybe some Red Army Standard as well. Those look like the best three, so we'll get on it. Okay, we are going to reshoot the Norinco ammo first, and then the tool ammo after that, and then finish it off with the Red Army Standard. From the results I've had so far, it seems like that's the best. Those are the top three groupings. Kind of just see if it's consistent or not. All right, here we go. This is the Norinco stuff first. Well, that's nowhere near as good as the first group we had. Okay, next is the tool ammo. Again, nowhere near as good as the first group we had. All right, now we are finishing it up with the Red Army Standard. Yeah, none of those were really that good a group. So, I think it is safe to say that with this test, the results are inconclusive. I wouldn't necessarily say that one is drastically better than another. They're all about the same, in my opinion, at least out of this Palmetto State Armory rifle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the Norinco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the Toll ammo. And those 5 right there, that's the Red Army Standard. So I did let the barrel cool in between 10-15 shot groups. Next time, after I do a few modifications to the gun, I'll probably be coming back and testing most of this ammo again. So if you're interested in that, check out my channel and some of my other videos. I've now loaded up 2 of these 40 round Bakelite mags. These are very reliable. They're hard to find. I had to have them for my RPK. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a little fun. So I got one in my AK right here. I've got the other in my RPK. Both of these 40 rounders are loaded up with all kinds of steel cased ammo. We're going to do some reliability testing while also having a little fun. Texas forever. Wah, wah, wah. Texas forever. Well, there went about $20, $30 worth of ammo right there. They both did great. All the ammo cycled no problem. A little disappointed I didn't get a clear winner today. However, it still leaves me with a lot of stuff to tinker on and mess with, so it's a good day of shooting. Had a lot of fun. Sorry I couldn't bring you guys more definitive results, but stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff planned for the AK. I got a new handguard that I'm working with a company that's I think a budget-friendly M-LOK handguard, and they're in stock, unlike a lot of other handguards right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more content coming up with this AK. I got some other 450 Bushmaster stuff coming up with a custom AR that I made. It's a snowflake AR. If you like, go check that out. It's pretty funny. And I got some overland stuff, some off-road overland stuff coming up as well. I'm waiting on a few things coming from Amazon. They've been real slow the last few weeks with everything that's been going on. So hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around for the next one. See you soon.